This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Tiffany. Above and beyond your expectations. The only 3-bedroom/3-bath condo in Jamaica Way. You'll fall in love with this home the moment you walk in. Very open floor plan, over 2,000 square feet of living space with breathtaking views of Charlotte Harbor. Completely renovated with top-end finishes and ready for entertaining. Resort-style pool and tennis courts. The Isles Yacht Club is literally across the street, featuring deep water slips, marina, tennis and bocce courts, fitness center, bars, light and gourmet dining, membership required. Just a short walk or drive, discover restaurants, shops, walking/biking paths, fishing, boating and all that the Punta Gorda area has to offer with its many fairs, festivals and shows throughout the year. Enjoy the SWFL lifestyle at its best. For more information